Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Oppo runs ColorOS that supports second space. This matters because older versions differ. Once ready, open Settings, tap Convenience Tools, then Second Space. This is the entry point. You create the space now, tap Create Second Space, choose a pattern or password, and follow prompts. While you set credentials, keep in mind why. Second Space isolates apps and data, so you separate work from personal quickly. After creation, you will be asked whether to import data. Decide based on privacy needs. Once in Second Space, you control what exists there. This is the complex middle step. You must switch in Settings or with the Second Space shortcut, then install apps from Play Store or copy specific apps from Main Space. Make deliberate choices. Copy only what you need to limit storage and exposure. After apps are present, set app permissions, sign into accounts as required, and tweak notifications so urgent items reach you in the right space. This prevents data overlap and keeps profiles distinct. To finish, practice switching. Use the Second Space shortcut or go to Settings to exit. When you leave, apps and files stay isolated. Make regular backups, either cloud or SD, because Second Space data is separate and won't sync with your main space automatically. If something goes wrong, like being unable to enter, go to Settings Second Space to reset the password or remove the Second Space. This restores access but may delete unbacked data. Keep a recovery plan and keep passwords documented securely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.